Her Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, Executive Secretary, Lucas T. Bersamin, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, esteemed members of the business community, fellow servants in government, dedicated personnel to the Anti-Red Tape Authority, ladies and gentlemen, isang maganda at pinagpalang hapon po sa ating lahat. A year has passed since I first addressed you as Director General of the Anti-Red Tape Authority. It was a time fraught with challenges where doubts about our agency's relevance and allegations against our past leadership casted shadows over our endeavors, harnessing the integrity of our institution. Yet, through the storm,